Hi there, it's Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and today we're going to be talking about one of the features on the VBM Super Digital Dual Boiler Espresso machine. So you press the settings button here, go to the button right there, and coffee temperature comes up. Say we want an offset temperature, so we'll hit the button to scroll that menu up, hit the check mark. And what is the offset temperature? Well, the boiler is programmed, the coffee boiler temperature is programmed at the boiler level. Water is circulating back and forth through this tremendous group head, and it's piping hot right now because the machine's really hot. But there's an offset temperature because this temperature is typically lower because of the exposure to air that's here, and the temperature is lower. So we can offset it upwards by 10 degrees Celsius, okay? Which typically, that's a good area to be in because on the Fahrenheit it's about 19 to 21. But say you are in a colder environment, we can start increasing it. So we can keep on going up and just about 20. Okay, so again, from a Fahrenheit perspective, you want to be around 10. And we're going to go the other way. Okay, to 20. So if you're in a hot environment, you may want to be, say, at 2. A very hot, environment outside of the machine, you may need to be less. But generally, a good spot is 10. Okay, we hit the check mark for yes. It saves. Home button, back to the main menu. Hopefully, you've enjoyed reviewing this nice feature with the Super Digital Dual Boiler Gear Pump Driven Espresso machine. If you have any questions or comments, please go to our website. There's a question and answer section. You can also ask down below on Facebook, YouTube, and our other social media channels. Best place is to ask on our website. Like this, we have everything there. Give us a thumbs up on the social media channel that you're on right now. And again, hopefully you enjoyed this feature and have a better understanding of what this machine can deliver for you in making better espresso, cappuccino, and lattes. As I always say, coffee first, everything else second. Take care.